Welcome back to Explore Error. Let me show you a super easy trick to lock a chat on Instagram because privacy matters. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Once you're in, go to the conversation you want to keep private. Now, you'll notice there's no built-in setting to hide or lock this chat, but don't worry, we can still make it disappear from your main inbox. Select the profile name at the top of the user you want to manage. Next, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Restrict. Once restricted, the user and their chat will disappear from your main chat list. If you ever want to remove the restriction, go to the Requests tab. There, you'll see all the users you've restricted. Open the user's profile and tap Unrestrict to restore the chat. And that's it, a simple trick to keep your Instagram chats private. If you want more quick tips like this, stick around. I've got plenty more coming.